Hello children, welcome to EVS class. Today this is your revision class and we are going to draw the computer. I will show you how to draw computer in a easier way. Okay, simple ways I will teach you to draw the computer. For that you require pencil, scale, rubber and crayons. Okay, crayons for coloring. So you have to open your interleaved notebook, that is one side ruled and one side plain. Here you have to write revision. See, I have written here REVISION, revision, my computer. And here I have written draw, color and label the computer. Draw, color and label the computer. See children, first we are going to draw the monitor. We are going to draw the monitor. For that you have to use the small scale. Okay. See here. Little bit rectangle you can draw, children. Okay, now you have to draw the border for this. Hold the scale tightly, otherwise it will move, it will shake. Okay. Now stand. Like 11 you must write. 11 you will write now. And again a small rectangle. And here is a small camera. Okay. So this is a monitor. Now we will draw keyboard. Keys are there, no? ABCD is written on that. That is a keyboard. See here, a rectangle and here one line, space bar key and all are here only. Okay. And here numbers are there. And here ABCD is there. Here some keys are there, function keys. Okay. This is keyboard. Now the brain of the computer, CPU. Central Processing Unit. Usually it is kept down under the table, but here we will draw this side. Okay. This is all rectangles we are using here. Holes for the pen drives. This is CPU. You can draw border for this also. It will look nice. Like this you can join. Okay. And now mouse. This is mouse pad where mouse is kept. This is a mouse. See here. Okay. Now if it is wireless, you can skip the drawing the wire, but if you want to draw the wire, that is all attached to the CPU. Plugs you can draw here. On the back side they are attached. Keyboard, mouse, monitor. Okay, so monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Okay, you can label them by drawing an arrow. What is this? This is a monitor. MONITOR. What is this, children? Brain of the computer. This is CPU. Everything you must write in capital. CPU, Central Processing Unit. This is mouse. MOUSE, mouse. And what is this, children? This is a keyboard. KEY, key, BOARD, keyboard. Now I will color and I will show you. See here, children, borders I have colored with black. Stand also, some keypad gray I have used, and here for the light I have used blue color. When you on the CPU, that is blue light. And this colorful screen I have used. You can use any color. You can draw some cartoon over there. You can draw icons here. Whatever you want, you can do it here. Okay, I have just drawn a colorful background. And this wire is black in color, no, children? So just trace them. What you have done, the wires you have done, no? Trace it with the black color. And here also. Okay, right. So I hope this is much easier. Okay, just try it, and it is very useful in future also. If you learn these different parts and how to draw, it is very useful. Okay, children, do this, practice well, children. Okay, thank you.